We're Greg and Charlotte Parkhurst. Pinnacle Homes had been working on a project at the end of our block. We went in and saw the work that had been done there, and we said, let's just bring him over here and let him see what we want to do. This was a project that started off being solely a kitchen project, and by the time we got done, it had encompassed the entire first floor and a good portion of the second floor. What we did here basically with the renovation was we took and moved our northern wall out 5.5 feet basically, and then took the wall out between the dining room and our kitchen and made it one large room.
We wanted something similar to the Chip and Joanna Gaines, with maybe the farmhouse country look a little bit. Range hood, they designed and made us a black shiplap hood on that, and referred to wonderful people that help us put together the subway tile and what color grout and the granite and the cabinets and the flooring, everything. They made really easy for us to go in and look and choose. And yeah, Christian's original design was, just worked everything in.
We had the gentleman from Pinnacle Homes in our house for 5 months. They cleaned up every day. There wasn't a mess.
We're here early in the morning. They took a 30-minute lunch, if that, and then they were here at least probably to 5:30 in the evening, sometimes later, and very professional and very good-hearted guys.
My favorite part of this entire project is just, and it sounds corny, but she's happy. This is what she's wanted.
But it's just warm, it's the flow, it's open, and that's what we always wanted.
And it's been phenomenal. We really enjoyed the interaction with these guys to the point that I've already talked to Christian about additional projects. We've already assured him that Pinnacle Homes has that job, and they'll be back shortly.